You think your wife can hear you?
No.
Then why bother?
Maybe I'm wrong.
You're going to die.
Maybe not.
Goodbye to you, my trusted friend.
A new day is dawning. New ideas, new rules, new management.
We've known each other since we were 9.
What the hell is this?
Every letter is from someone threatening to expose classified information if we don't help them.
You're the lawyer. Figure it out.
Embrace the rigid. I'm playful with it. Yeah, basically.
Get cute. Do your business. Get out.
I'm Owen Hendricks from the CIA. We got your letter.
Have you made any new friends or overthrown any foreign governments?
Unbreakable. You following?
You do know bullets go through metal, right?
Yeah.
Congratulations, you're being followed.
He will be reintroduced into the wild in a year and a half.
I didn't know if it was going to be doable.
Their alternative is living a life in the zoo or dying in a much worse way.
This is your new home. Don't give up. Don't give up. I'm going to teach you how to become a killer. Amazon tree bar. This is the snake.
Give me the box.
No.